Hello friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to deactivate Threads profile or account. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you want deactivate Threads profile or account, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, open your Threads, then press on your profile icon, press on two lines top right side corner. Here you select account. In this you can see here deactivate profile. Open this option. Deactivating your profile is temporary. Your profile, threads, replies and likes will be hidden until you reactivate by logging back in. Then press on deactivate threads profile. Then again press on deactivate. That's it guys. So in this way you deactivate your threads account or profile. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.